Did you know that a large percentage of malicious hacks over the past year were PowerShell-based hacks? Many organizations use PowerShell to speed up and simplify management of their Active Directory infrastructure, and Mile2's CPSH course is designed to inform you of all the ways that PowerShell is vulnerable to attack using what is already available with Windows or in open source code on Mac and Linux. Armed with this information, you will be able to test your Windows environment like never before, and you will walk away with a strong skill set that will enable you to prevent these attacks from happening. Plus, our hands-on labs in Mile2 Cyber Range, hosted in our exclusive Ghost pen testing environment, will provide you with real-world scenarios to test and hone your skills. This 400-level course is a must for Microsoft administrators, cybersecurity managers, pen testers, and Active Directory administrators. Move into a deeper understanding of PowerShell hacking and security with the certified and accredited PowerShell Hacker course from Mile2.